students. In today's YouTube lecture series, in the context of tourism students, I'm going to talk about a very important topic which relates the master's programs in tourism along with the UGC Net JRF exam. What I'm going to talk today is a topic which is known as demonstration effect. First of all, demonstration effect by the name usually considered as a fact which tourism plays on to the tourism community, stakeholders and all the individuals and the persons those are part of the tourism as an activity or a phenomena. So what is this demonstration effect is all about? Let us talk on that note with a small PPT presentation. Here I am with that presentation. Let us start talking on that. The fact in an academic terms needs to be understood as a set of practices which may influence the tourism process. It is to be considered as another motivation to travel by the name of demonstration effect. Here, demonstration that I am talking to is to be understood by the such effects or such affection on to the human being or human psychology which is demonstrated through an aspect or an urge which plays a vital role towards the human being's travel behavior. By the way, people those are influenced from the other's lifestyle. One also get being influenced by new age tourists who have hefty incomes or no family obligations, because of which they can travel freely and extensively, thereby gaining new experience. There are certain socio-economic trends which are trending nowadays, and these are nothing but the demonstration effect on to the masses or society by which they are actually meeting the different kinds of desires in their own human life. As far as this particular act or effect is about, this is a kind of magnetic effect which can be noticed through the observation by the travelers or fellow travelers, or including the service providers or the tourist area specific community. For example, the frequency of traveling for leisure or the purpose of pleasure or the purpose of recreation and relaxation is relatively more in the case of urban population in India than that of rural population. As a former is more influenced by the lifestyle travel to the other neighbors. That therefore we can consider the demonstration effect can be seen in the larger part of the urban population of the country. Reason being the leisure purpose impact to the one person to the another because of their class, because of their standard, or because of certain demographic factors can influence the individuals better. So these influencing factors, by the way, can be called up as the demonstration effect, but demonstration effect have different other effects on the psychology of buyer and the seller. This particular topic is such a broad topic which needs to be analyzed and understood by the students in such a way where they can propagate about the certain effects and certain impacts generated by onto the tourism and tourism related economy. So if you are preparing this topic for the UGC Net purposes, you may have the deriving aspect related to this particular topic, which will give you the more formulative understanding of this topic. On the other hand, if you are talking this topic onto the note of or understanding of just a preparation for your master's program exam preparation only, then you need to understand this topic theoretically, which which makes you enable to understand what is this concept is all about and how does the demonstration effect can be created. For that, you need to be much theoretical in nature, and for that you need to be very particular in quoting the examples. Likewise, if I'm talking about an example of X or Y, you need to quote these example with the favor of certain statistics of different international reputation or the standards of the Ministry of Tourism or maybe UNWTO. By these examples, you are not only setting a good impression on the examiner's mind, but also you are creating a rapport among your writing, which will definitely help you to contribute yourself for the preparation of your competitive exams like UGC Net, Tourism or GRF. For time being, I will be closing this topic, demonstration effect, but more such videos are there in pipeline. You may be benefited by all these videos and learn the tourism in a very quick succession, short video types. So stay connected and enjoy your learning. Till then, it's a good day. Thank you.